New. Old. Right, I've got a garage door. It's open. So there's another hand. It's not locked. So I just got to change the barrel. I'm not sure the position of the cam on this one, so I'm going to do the fixing screw and see if it drops out. If it doesn't, I'll have to pick it. Not dropping out, so I'm just going to put that screw back in, and then I'm going to pick it. I'll do like this. Yeah, I'm just going to put that screw back in, then pick it, and then hopefully I'll nut the barrel and drop it out. Cool. Right, as you can see, lock is picked. Okay, so now we get the screwdriver. Then remove that screw now. Remove that screw. Hopefully, as I turn this, it should just pop out. There we go. Yeah, it's gone. There it is. So, got my replacement. Which is here. See if I've got a short one. Hang on. I'm going to take that one out. The transverse circuit is much shorter. Yep, I think it's going to be better. So. Let's put the cylinder screw back in. Get up the screw. Alright, the screw's done up. Always check it before you lock it. And just turn it to lock it. Handle solid. And it turns. Right, that's it. Job done. There's all cylinder picked, no damage, lovely chubby.